Test, 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 test. And I don't see nothing wrong with walking on the water. I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. Good afternoon all around the world. Good afternoon all around the world. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island. Get down.
Hey, Trinitron9, what happened? I'm going to see if I can hear you zipping ahead. Hello, Trinitron9, 225 Mobile in Georgia. Hey, hey, hey.
225 Mobile, I got you in the box. 225 Mobile, I got you in the box. Hey, 225 Mobile, I'm still playing in the sun. I'm still having fun out here in Coney Island. 225 in the Mobile. Break, break, break. Hey, 225, you dropped out, you faded out. That's how it goes. You made the trip in your Mobile. 225, your Trinitron9. I'm just playing in the water, man. I'm still playing in the water, and I'm still having fun. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Get down.
Oh, Tanner, the water cooled radio.
You just came up and cleaned up my radio again, Watchmaker. Hey, Watchmaker, you did it again, man. You did it again. Watchmaker, I'm still putting water all over the band. I'm still putting water all over the band. Break, break, break.
You sure are, bro. Sound all kinds of good over here, 29. It's good to hear you in there. It's been a long while.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. I was saving the best for last, though. Hey, Watchmaker, it's been a while, but I've been saving the best for last. I got a big bucket of water, and I'm giving everybody a little water. Break, break, break.
You gonna cool everybody off this afternoon, though, T9, on this cool summer breeze.
No doubt about it, man. No doubt about it. Hey, Watchmaker, it's your show again. It's your show again, man. It's all you right there. Hey, Watchmaker, the video gate don't lie. The video gate don't lie. Break, break, break.
Man, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate you. Keep some flowers yourself. Sounding all kinds of good over here, T9. You always do while you're walking on water and riding that wave.
Well, I keep telling everybody I don't see nothing wrong with riding this wave. They keep telling me don't ride the wave. I tell them I don't see nothing wrong with walking on the water. They keep telling me don't walk in that water. But I just don't see nothing wrong. Hey, Watchmaker, I don't see nothing wrong. Break, break, break.
You gotta get in there and get you some while you can. No two ways about it. Gotta get in there and get it some. That's an old 576 on the video gate, so I figured I'd come on upstairs and see what was going on. And sure enough, got a little bit of Texas, a little bit of Coney Island.
Right back, Watchmaker. You getting a lot of Coney Island. You getting a whole lot of Coney Island, Watchmaker. I got a whole lot of water going in your radio right there, right now. You got a whole lot of Coney Island water. You got a whole lot of Coney Island water right in your receive, right there. Break, break, break.
Sounding all kinds of good over here, T9. Blowing up my chakras, buddy.
Hey, man, it's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. Hey, Watchmaker, it's a dirty job out here, but somebody got to do it, man. All right, let me take a pause for the cause. Let me ride this wave back. Let me get on this wave. I see a big wave coming. I'm going to step on that wave and ride it back to the shore. Hey, Watchmaker, I'm waving a hand to you and yours. Take care. We'll do it again on that next wave. The man riding the wave, walking in the water, the man that don't ghost talk, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghost. Just got down.
So, Tambo, you take care up there, T9. Catch that wave back to the shore. Get some water on that radio. Hey, Trinitron9, you take care. Your Watchmaker in the spring. I'm stepping.
Bye, bye, bye.
I ain't afraid of no ghost.
Well, don't be afraid of them, man. Don't be afraid of them. You in my radio too, man. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, T9, 666 over there, Watchmaker's neighbor.
Right back, 666, no doubt about it, man. It's you and his show. Y'all the only people out here right now in Coney Island, man. Just keep doing what you're doing. Trinitron9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Break, break, break.
Hey, Bert, appreciate the wave, buddy. Take care, and I do hope to see you next month if I make it. Have a good one, dear Slayer. Stand by.
Dear Slayer came up in my radio. Take care, everybody in the band. Trinitron9, just having fun in the sun out here. I'm just having fun in the sun, spreading the water around. Spreading the water around, putting water in everybody's radio, cleaning everybody's radio out this afternoon. Trinitron9 said it's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it.
Hello out there around the Buckeye. There's no weekend wave. I didn't quite catch the name. And, hey, Slingshot, yeah, he just had a big hammer down here. Yardbird deal when he first keyed down. No doubt. But weekend wave around the Buckeye. Calling you Mr. Clean.
Yeah, call me Mr. Clean. I'm walking around with 2 buckets of water in my hand. I'm walking up and down the Coney Island boardwalk with 2 buckets of water. I'm throwing water on everybody. I'm throwing a little water on everybody. I'm getting everybody clean. I'm getting everybody clean. Trinitron9, Coney Island, get down.
Hello, right back with us. Alright, my friend, T9, we'll let you get back to washing it up. Maple Syrup, stop 7 miles, we back out.
Alright, you back out, you back out. I'm going to cut the video gate right there. You back out, I'm going to cut the video gate right there. I'm going to close the gate right there. I'm going to close the gate right there. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, bye, bye.